Got me posted like this? Nah, it ain't me. Came back from posted at the dope spot. Don't stop until the task get to breaking. Niggas' asses get to breaking, shaking spots, no time for waiting. I think it was them hoes that set me up, messed me up, try to fuck me. But look, I had the key to the fiend bucket and skirted. I seen that trick hanging out the curtain when I left. Gave it a middle finger, said trick, I'll be back. I really plan to, but man, fool, these popos got me creeping, sleeping to the fact that watching my ass cause cry. Make my stats back on the block, they notice me, the only G with my description. No, this just ain't no fiction. In my mind, I started tripping, thinking all the years I might do, thinking all the years and tears from my peers, but it appears to be true.
Oh, so Timson going bowling tonight? Yes, nice crypto you have.
I am reaching into my pocket for my license.
I'm stuck up in the clique with nothing to think about but getting out. My first time in this mug is to trust them, say I took the wrong route. But now that couldn't be. Big game was out to be PAID on a Friday. That's when they start my grinding. I need some luck, now where's the 4D club of witnesses, X-Scenes for the facts fiends, the best things to be a soldier. While you locked up in this camp, can't vent. Bet somebody dick in my trap, getting the whole pussy down. Now I ain't even trying to say that I was running things, but I'm big damn. That by itself will make your mind change. Cause of the finer things in life, I loved it. Had me on the TV screen talking about I was one of 331 days I done did in this trip. Can't do no more with this, cause I be easy to get. And I be out in 40 more days. Chillin' with my foes, get this smoked in parlay. You know how it's done.
Hey, nigga, you got my money, nigga.
Man, got your money, man.
What you mean you ain't got my money? I told you don't be playing, nigga. Out. Don't be playing with my money, nigga. I ain't playing with you no more. You better call your people. Tell them to get down here and put some money on my books so I get some commissary up over here. Hey, what's wrong with you? Man, you hurt? Hey, look.
Now I'm back on my feet with the hopping and skipping. Now vice versa with the lunatic. Can't get with it even though I'm up out of jail. I got to make them crack sales, crack the mill when they fail. To see me coming back up out of the cell. I made that money all day and everybody try to tell the popos that I was straight ballin' now. But I got all the hoochies calling now, cause they be calling me 411 for information. But get me at the station, can't do that shit, there's no anticipation. My destination, to be able to be free, to be able to be Big G. You know me, the only brother making it like Nino. Never seen those flows I put to your window. And I'm out like 9 for 6, for 9 for licks, lunatic, biatch.